Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Crafted and Created, where creativity meets practicality. Today, we're focusing on one of the most overlooked areas in your home, those often forgotten room corners. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy reading nook, an eye-catching display for your treasures, or maybe just a clever way to sneak in some extra storage, we've got you covered. So stick around as we dive into some exciting ideas, easy DIY tips, and simple decor hacks that will breathe new life into those forgotten corners. Let's get started. Now, who doesn't love curling up with a good book? If you're a bookworm like me, why not dedicate a corner to this beloved pastime? First things first, you'll need a comfy chair. Add a soft throw and a few cozy pillows. I love mixing textures and patterns here. A small side table is perfect for your cup of tea or a stack of books. Natural light is wonderful, but you'll want a good reading lamp for those cozy evenings. A floor lamp with an adjustable arm is ideal. Add a touch of greenery. A potted plant purifies the air and adds life to your reading haven. Don't forget the little details. A woven basket for extra throws, a small tray for your reading glasses, maybe even a vintage bookend or two. And there you have it, a charming and inviting reading nook tucked away in a corner that was once forgotten. Shelves, y'all. They're like the Swiss Army knives of home decor, versatile, practical, and oh so stylish. And when it comes to corners, they're a game changer. Whether you're short on space or just want to add visual interest, corner shelves are your new best friend. You can find corner shelves in all shapes, sizes, and styles these days. Think about the overall style of your room and choose something that complements it. Once you've got your shelves up, it's time for the fun part, styling. This is where you can let your personality shine. Books are always a good idea, of course, but don't be afraid to mix it up. Add some decorative objects, framed photos, maybe even a few small plants. Remember, balance is key. Group items of varying heights and textures to create visual interest. A well-styled corner shelf is like a mini vignette, telling a story about you and the things you love. There's something about bringing the outdoors in that just makes a house a home. And what better place to showcase those leafy friends than in those often neglected corners? Trust me, a little greenery can completely transform a space. There are so many low-maintenance houseplants out there that can thrive even in those darker corners. Think snake plants, ZZ plants, or even a peace lily. They're practically impossible to kill. To really make a statement, try grouping different plants together. Use a mix of heights and textures to create a little indoor jungle. You can even add a few decorative pots and planters to complete the look. Remember, plants not only add beauty to your home, but they also purify the air and boost your mood. Let's be honest, in today's world, we could all use a dedicated workspace. But what if you're short on square footage? That's where the magic of a corner desk comes in. It's like turning those unused corners into a productivity powerhouse. I love the idea of repurposing an old table or desk. Give it a fresh coat of paint, maybe swap out the hardware, and boom! You've got a unique and functional workspace. Look for one with built-in storage to help keep your work area tidy. And don't forget a comfy chair. Once you've got the basics covered, it's time to personalize your space. Add a desk lamp, some inspiring artwork, maybe even a small plant or two. Make it a space where you actually enjoy spending time. And there you have it, a dedicated workspace that's both stylish and functional. Y'all, mirrors are like magic tricks for your home. They can instantly brighten a room, create the illusion of more space, and just add a touch of elegance. A large mirror placed in a corner can make a small room feel so much bigger and brighter. It reflects light back into the space, making it feel more open and airy. You can also use mirrors to create a focal point in a corner. A beautiful ornate mirror or a grouping of smaller mirrors can add a touch of glamour and personality. If you're working with a dark corner, try placing a mirror opposite a window. It will reflect the natural light and brighten up the entire space. Don't be afraid to get creative with mirror shapes and styles. Round mirrors add softness, while rectangular mirrors add a more modern touch. Remember, mirrors are a simple and affordable way to transform your space. You know how much I love a piece with personality, something that tells a story. Well, a statement chair or bench can do just that. It's a simple way to add a touch of character to a corner that might otherwise go unnoticed. Now, when I say statement, I don't necessarily mean something big and bold. It could be a vintage armchair with beautiful upholstery, a sleek modern bench with clean lines, or even a cozy window seat piled high with pillows. Once you've found your perfect piece, place it in your chosen corner and let it shine. You can add a small side table for drinks or books, a floor lamp for ambient lighting, or even a throw blanket for extra coziness. Choose a piece that makes you smile every time you walk by. Now, gallery walls. They're like visual stories you get to tell right on your walls. And you know what? Corners are the perfect canvases for them. It's a chance to showcase your personality, those memories you cherish, and those art pieces you love. First things first, gather up your treasures. Family photos, vintage postcards, kids' artwork, prints you love, maybe even some pressed flowers in a simple frame. Next, play around with the arrangement on the floor before you start hammering nails into the wall. You can go for a symmetrical grid, a more organic freeform layout, or even a cascading design that flows around the corner. Start with your largest piece in the center and build outward. And don't be afraid to leave some breathing room between frames. There you have it. A gallery wall that's truly one of a kind, just like you. It's a beautiful way to add personality and warmth to your home. All right, for those of you who love to entertain, this one's for you. Transform that forgotten corner into a stylish minibar or beverage station. It's the perfect way to add a touch of sophistication to your home and make entertaining a breeze. Start with a small bar cart or console table. I love finding vintage pieces with character, but you can also find some great affordable options online or at your local furniture store. Next, stock it with your favorite beverages. Think bottles of wine, spirits, mixers, and pretty glassware. Don't forget the ice bucket and cocktail shaker. To really elevate the look, add some decorative touches. A small vase of flowers, a stack of cocktail napkins, or a few candles can make all the difference. And there you have it, a chic and functional minibar that's ready for your next gathering. Y'all, lighting is like the jewelry of a room. It can completely transform a space, and those forgotten corners, they're the perfect places to get a little dramatic with it. A well-placed floor lamp can cast a warm glow, making a corner feel instantly cozier and more inviting. Look for a lamp with an arc arm for a touch of drama. If you're feeling bold, try a statement pendant light. For a more subtle effect, string lights are always a good idea. They add a touch of whimsy and create a warm and inviting ambiance. Don't forget about candles. A grouping of candles of varying heights can create a cozy and romantic atmosphere. Remember, lighting is all about creating mood and ambiance. So have fun with it and experiment until you find what works for you. Our furry friends deserve a special spot in our homes too, right? A corner can be the perfect place to create a cozy haven for your beloved pet. Include a comfy bed, a water bowl, and a storage basket for toys. For cats, a scratching post, a cat tree, or a cozy bed placed high up is perfect. Add fun wallpaper, a cute rug, or pet-themed artwork to personalize the space. And there you have it, a stylish and functional space for your furry friend. Curtains, y'all. They're not just for windows anymore. Use them to create intimacy and privacy, even in unexpected places. Corners are perfect for this design trick. Imagine a cozy reading nook behind flowing curtains, or a secluded workspace to focus. Even a whimsical play area for the kiddos. Choose lightweight fabrics in light colors for openness. Hang them from the ceiling for more height. Play with patterns and textures for personality. Get creative with those curtains. You know how I love a good conversation starter? Well, a statement piece can do just that. Those often overlooked corners, they're the perfect stage for showcasing something special. A statement piece can be anything. A vintage find, a piece of art, a unique sculpture, or even a large potted plant. Choose something that reflects your personality and makes you smile. Once you've found your perfect piece, give it the spotlight it deserves. Place it in your chosen corner and let it shine. Let the statement piece be the star of the show. Well, friends, we've reached the end of another Crafty Corner Pro Max adventure. I hope you feel inspired to take those forgotten corners in your home and turn them into something truly special. Remember, it doesn't take a complete overhaul to make a big impact. A little creativity and a willingness to experiment can go a long way. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these corner transforming ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy decorating!